How to create an international TikTok account step-by-step guide. Do you know you can start making money on TikTok by just uploading videos? Yes, you heard me right. TikTok is currently paying content creators who create and upload videos on their platform, and a lot of people are using this opportunity to cash out. This is another year. You don't want to be posting on TikTok without getting paid. But here is the thing, not all countries are eligible for TikTok monetization programs. Let's say you are a content creator based in Africa, Nigeria, just like me. You can make money directly on TikTok, but there is a way around it. Some countries like US, Germany, Canada, France, and few other countries are eligible. So today, I'm going to show you how to create an international TikTok account for free and access to all benefits. But before I jump into this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Devas. I'm a visual artist, I'm a content creator. On this channel, I create videos about art, creativity, and hilarious content that will crack you up. If that is something you are interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's get right into it. Step 1. Download and install VP95. That's the VPN we'll be using. The first thing you need is VPN to change your location. I recommend VP95. It's free, fast, and easy to use. Go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and search for VP95. Download and install it on your phone. Step 2. Connect to an eligible country. Once you have the VP95 installed, open the app and select the country where TikTok monetization is available. For example, you can pick United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, or France. Then tap connect and wait for the VPN to connect or to activate. Your phone is now virtually connected to that country. Step 3. Create a new TikTok account. Now you are going to create a brand new TikTok account. Do not log in into your old account. Open TikTok and tap sign up. Use a new email. Don't use the email you use in your previous account. Set your birth date and choose a strong password for yourself. Make sure your location is set to the country you selected on VP95. Step 4. Engage with global content like following and interacting with international creators. The TikTok algorithm learns from the activity, so you need to follow, like, and comment on posts from international creators. The more you interact with global content, the more TikTok will recommend international videos to you. Here is the bonus tip. Always keep your VPN on whenever you open TikTok. If you switch off your VPN, TikTok might switch your content back to your local region. And that is it. Now you have an international TikTok account ready to explore global trends, art challenges, and hilarious content. But wait, there is more. Creating the account is not just the first step. There are still rules and guides you need to follow to keep the account active and make sure TikTok doesn't switch you back to your local region. So in my next video, I'll be showing you what to post on your international TikTok account, how to grow your audience and go viral globally, and the do's and don'ts to avoid getting flagged. You don't want to miss the updates, so make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I drop the new video. Thank you.